Yo, welcome to RadMax Crypto, the raddest crypto channel in the galaxy, and sometimes even on Earth. Bitcoin is pumping. Could it be because the Russians are taking their money out of the ruble and putting it into Bitcoin? Stay tuned. We're going to dive deeper.
This. Why are the only funny lines on this show the ones behind me?
Wow, here's the latest price action on the 4-hour Bitcoin chart. You can see from earlier today, we have gone up almost 10% just today. There's been a pretty hefty pump on the Bitcoin price. Stay tuned because we're going to look at this pump to see if this could be related to the sanctions against Russia. Russians may be pulling their money out of the banks in rubles and actually putting them into Bitcoin. So is this pump because the Russians are moving their rubles into Bitcoin? Article from Bitcoin.com says Russian bank runs begins as ruble plunges to record low amid escalating sanctions. It says a bank run has started in Russia as citizens rush to withdraw their cash. It says here that the ruble has seen about a 30% loss today at a record low. So there's lines at ATMs. People are pulling their money out. Are they putting it into crypto? This article in the Wall Street Journal says that there is over 12 million Bitcoin wallets that reside in Russia. Apparently, there's more than just the government and high-ranking officials who own Bitcoin. With 12 million wallets, I'm wondering how many citizens of Russia actually hold Bitcoin wallets and have access to them. If you know any information about that, please leave it in the comment section. As Russian banks are being cut from SWIFT, this article from Bitcoin.com says that the Ukraine is now trying to expose cryptocurrency wallets used by politicians in Moscow. They're asking the Western allies to expose the Russian politicians that hold these wallets so that we can see where the transactions are going. It says here in a recent article by Yahoo Finance that Russian soldiers are offered Bitcoin in exchange for a white flag. It says here that the Ukrainians will give Russian soldiers up to $45,000 to wave the white flag in cryptocurrency or fiat. It says here cryptocurrencies have been a popular instrument to provide financial aid to the defending nation, with the Ukrainian government collecting over 9.5 million in crypto donations. With all this recent news, do you think that the pump of Bitcoin has been because of the recent sanctions? Is Bitcoin going to be used as a hedge to the dropping ruble? Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Hey guys, do me a favor and slap on a like on this video. Also subscribe and hit the little notification button so you'll get all the videos. Also follow us on Twitter at RadMax Crypto, where you'll get all the crypto news. Now let's move on. So I wanted to look at the Bitcoin price on the 1-week chart. Take a look here at the Bitcoin price. We may have completely found our bottom, and we may be entering into now like a double bottom pattern here, or some people would say maybe it's a W pattern, which would be the reversal pattern that we would look for. We kind of had one here back last year. When we had our reversal. So look for this pattern to continue. If we do continue it, it could be the reversal pattern that we've been waiting for. I wanted to pull up the Bollinger Bands on the daily chart again to take a look at this. You can see we actually came down here and really pushed through the bottom of it, but since then has broken through. And look at the middle here level of the Bollinger Bands. We're starting to actually break through that again. If we start seeing price action that starts to move up, the top of the Bollinger Band here is approximately $45,000. And we may see that before we start seeing a little bit more resistance. We'll keep an eye on this. One more chart I want to take a look at is, again, on the 1-day Bitcoin price. You can see here that we are forming here this double bottom. I guess you could call it a maybe a W pattern here, something like this, And just to give you kind of the price target of this pattern, you take here the height of the W down to the lowest point here. You can see here the target would be approximately 57,500 if this pattern were to play out. Now, the pattern would play out if the price action actually crossed the neckline here of the W. So if we could even break past here and find support up here, that would be a good thing, and then continue up. For this pattern to play out, we could see a price action of around, $57,000. Well, there you go, guys. This is RadMax Crypto. I hope you enjoyed the videos. If you have, please slap on a like, hit the subscribe button, hit that little notification button so you get all the videos. Until next time, peace.